After a recent Series C funding round, Nigerian startup Flutterwave has raised $170 million and is now valued at over $1 billion. Here are some of the details surrounding the big money announcement. Founded by Iyinoluwa Aboyeji and Olugbenga Agboola, Flutterwave launched in 2016 as a Nigerian and U.S.-based payments company with offices in Lagos and San Francisco. On the 9th of March 2021, the company announced that it had closed a $170 million funding. New York-based private investment firm Avenir Growth Capital and U.S. hedge fund and investment firm Tiger Global led the Series C round, alongside DST Global, early Capital Berrywood, Green Visor Capital, and a few others. The Series C round comes a year after Flutterwave closed its $35 million Series B and its $20 million Series A in 2018. In total, Flutterwave has raised $225 million, and is one of the few African startups to have secured more than $200 million in funding. The news of Flutterwave earning unicorn status was met with praises from Nigerians on social media. Also, the fact that the company had done it within a space of just 5 years is also incredible. As a payments platform, Flutterwave has handled more than 140 million transactions that are worth over $9 billion. In addition, the company is currently live in 20 African countries, with an infrastructure reach in over 33 countries on the continent, and has a staff strength of 300. Flutterwave helps businesses outside Africa expand their operations on the continent. This is why it has about 290,000 business users, and its clientele includes the likes of Facebook, Uber, and Flywire. In a statement, the company's CEO revealed that Flutterwave's revenue grew by over 100% during the pandemic because of business sectors such as streaming, gaming, remittance, and e-commerce. The funding will help Flutterwave achieve its goal of becoming a global payments giant, reach new markets, and also introduce new offerings as well. For more news updates like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit our blog today.www.sidomexentertainment.com. Also follow us on social media: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram,